Didik TV KPM.
Hi pupils, class is in session. Welcome back to Didik TV KPM, and today we are learning mathematics in dual language program. Now we're with Miss Kalai and we're learning about time. So Miss Kalai, take the floor.
Yes, dear. Okay, so far we have looked at time zone and also how to determine the time difference in two different countries located in two different time zone, right? Now time to enhance your understanding. Are you ready?
Yes, I think I am.
Let's read. Yes.
Okay, let me read
Could
it
you
for
read?
you.
Yes.
Okay, the time in Malaysia is 9:45 p.m. while the time in Chicago is 7:45 a.m. Malaysia is situated on the east of Chicago. A. State the time difference between Malaysia and Chicago.
Okay, dear. Okay. So while you're reading, I try to transfer the information into this smart note. Okay. So what are the countries involved?
Malaysia and Chicago.
Okay. What's the location?
East.
Which is on east?
East of Chicago. Malaysia is on the east of Chicago.
Okay, so of course that is on west. Okay. How about the time? Time stated?
The time stated for Malaysia is 9:45 p.m.
9:45 p.m. Okay.
And Chicago is 7:45 a.m.
7:45 a.m. Okay. Is that the time difference is given?
No, that's actually the time there.
Okay, now what's the first question?
What is the time difference between the two countries?
Okay, how to find the time difference here?
Okay, well...
To find the time difference, since the word difference there, so we have to minus the time given of the two countries, then only we can get the time difference, okay? So we use the T method, okay? So 9:45 p.m. Here is p.m. and here is a.m. So we cannot minus it straightly. So that p.m. we have to convert to?
A 24-hour
system.
system.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so 9:45. Could you state in 24 hours?
It's 21:45.
21:45 minus 7:45. So here we have
00. How much is that? 14
hours, right? Yeah. So what's the time difference? We got 14 hours. Okay, now what's the next question?
The next question is B. State the time in Malaysia if the time in Chicago is Thursday, 14:30 hours.
Okay, it's different, right? Okay, now they want the time
in Malaysia.
No. Okay, say the time in Malaysia if the time in Chicago is Thursday,
14:30.
14:30. It's what? 14:30 hours. Okay, so that means in 24-hour system. Okay, now. We know what's the two things that we should know before we find the time?
Two things is east or west, the location.
So it is
on the east.
Chicago on the
west of Malaysia.
Right. Okay, we are going to find the time of, what is the seeking country here? Malaysia. So it is in the east. So what we must do now?
Now that we know the time difference, we have to, when it's west, subtract.
We are going to find for Malaysia, dear.
Oh no, for Malaysia, so
Malaysia
east.
is on the east, right?
So we have to add.
Yes, so what we are going to add? The time of Malaysia is given?
Is 14:30.
And then we add with
the time difference, which is
14 hours. Okay. Can we convert that 24 hours to 12-hour system?
I think we can.
Okay, should be?
So it should be 2.
Yes, 2:30 p.m. So what we get here?
We get 16:30.
16:30 hours, right? Okay.
Yes.
Could you tell it in 12-hour system?
In 12 hours, it's 4:30 p.m.
Yes, 4:30 p.m. Is that p.m. or a.m.?
It's p.m.
Are you sure?
Yes, because it's 16:30.
Okay, so that is the correct answer. Okay,
right.
Another smiley badge for you.
Wow, I got it right. Thank you, Miss Kalai.
Okay, shall we go to the second one?
Okay, let's.
Are you still ready?
Yes, I am. I'm very energetic about this.
Okay, read out the second one for me.
Okay, the table below shows the time in two towns at the same time. So we have Bangalore and Kuala Lumpur. In Bangalore, it's 14:45 hours. And then in Kuala Lumpur, it's 17:15 hours. So that's the time. And the date is 31st May and also 31st May in Kuala Lumpur. So first question is, state the position of Bangalore from Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, what's the answer, dear? Portion of Bangalore from Kuala Lumpur.
Bangalore from Kuala Lumpur is on the east side.
Yes. Okay. So Bangalore is on the east. Of course, KL is on the west. Okay. How about the time?
Time difference.
14:45 hours, 17:15 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What's the first? Okay. First question you already done is okay. How about the B?
B, find the time difference between the two cities.
What you must do?
You have to subtract.
Yes. Okay. So the time given is what?
17:15 in Kuala Lumpur and 14:45.
Okay. How to subtract here? The kids out there, remember? We have, what's the relationship here? Okay. This is hours and this is minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, right? So could you minus 45 from 15?
45?
Of course not, right?
No.
So we have to bring it here, make it 16. When you bring 1 hour to minutes, so it changed to 60. Yes, you are right. Then you proceed with the subtraction.
All right.
So what's the answer?
So 75 minus 5 is 30.
75 minus 45 is straight away take 30, right? Okay. So here?
2.
Yes, 2. So what's the difference, time difference?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, now. So we
Okay.
got the time difference, we got the position. Okay,
and
proceed
the
with
last
the
one is determine the time in Kuala Lumpur if the time in Bangalore is 11:15 p.m.
Now
Friday.
the seeking country is where?
Is on the west side.
Kuala Lumpur, right? The
Yes.
seeking country is Kuala Lumpur. So KL is on the west. So what you must do here?
We have to subtract.
Is it right, kids? Yes, our car is right.
Okay.
So the time given is 11:15 p.m. Subtract with
2:30.
2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay,
sorry.
that is the time duration. Okay, what's the answer?
Answer is you have to borrow from the hours.
Okay, we
so
take
make
one
it
from
10,
here, 10,
and then 60.
Okay,
so
75 minus 30.
It's 40.
75 minus 30.
45.
45.
And then 8.
8. So what's the time?
The time is 8:45.
AM or PM?
That should be PM. Because the time difference is only 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yes, so
it's
8:30, 8:45?
PM.
Okay, here is 8:45 PM. Less than 12 hours, right?
Right.
Okay. So how do you find now?
Well,
What you can tell, what you can...
I can do a lot of more practices after this, but I've gotten the hang of it, so it's quite easy actually, Miss Kalai.
Yes, with the help of these smart notes,
Yes.
okay, you must know the time difference and also the position of the country, seeking country, either on east or west. If it is on the west, you have to minus, subtract. If it is on the east, you have to plus.
All right,
You
Miss
have to
Kalai.
add. Okay?
Okay, let's proceed with our next activity.
Yes.
All right. There you go. But Miss Kalai, before we go further, can I have a bit of a reward for
Yes,
the
of course.
activity just
You can
now?
take another smiley, and this time you can take 2
I can
batches.
take 2.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Miss Kalai. Now, I hope pupils out there also get their smileys, but we're going to have more activities after this for a short break now, and we will be right back on DDTV KPM.
The last.